Hi guys, today we'll start our first lecture related to PCI protocol. And before going to start that thing, we have a offer that we are providing complete front-end functional design verification training program, right? Which include digital electronics, Verilog, system-verilog, UVM, Python scripting, test bench integration with Python, and with 3 industry-level projects. So here Verilog is the HDL language, means hardware description language. So whatever we can implement in the digital electronics will write a code, a design code inside Verilog to synthesize that design, right? After that, next language is system-verilog, which is hardware verification language. We can verify that design using that language. Next one is UVM, that is a methodology, universal verification methodology. Same Verilog code can be verified with the help of UVM. After that, well-known Python scripting. Nowadays, guys, it is very demand. It is in a very demand, right? It is using with AI, ML, and all. So it is, very efficient language, right? After that, how we can integrate the Python with the UVM. That's a very important thing and very new thing provided by us, right? After that, three level, industry level project. They will related to Verilog, system-verilog, UVM, and Python, means Python integration with UVM. So guys, here in this training program, we will learn the languages like Verilog, system-verilog, UVM, Python, and everything from scratch. If you don't know anything about the programming, no need to bother about that. I am here to teach you all these things, right? Again, what is the key features of our training program? So first one is live training program, right? So it will be a live training program, and one-to-one training program means only one student will be there. Real-time doubt clearance. Suppose I am describing some topic. If you have doubt, you can interrupt meanwhile and you can ask your query, right? No recorded videos, because many training institutes, they have pre-recorded videos and they share the student. Nothing like that. It is totally scam. So we'll give you, live training, the fresh training. The next thing is topic wise assignments. Let's say I have completed one topic. After that, I will give you some questions so that you can practice them. And if you stuck somewhere and if you have some doubts, you can ask me in next session, right? Again, next one is mock written test and interviews. So after doing that, we'll able to know that what is your weak points, where you are leading or where you are lacking, so that we can improve that. We will work on that and can improve on that. And next point is student no need to write anything. It means if I am giving you training, so you means you no need to carry any copy pen, any kind of things. So I will provide you the soft copy of the notes, which includes theory as well as the programming and code, right? So your work is only to focus what I am telling, what I am teaching, my approach and all. Flexible timings over weekends. So if you are working in some another domain, or even you are working VLSI domain, and if you want to, some flexible timings, so we are available over weekends at every Saturday and Sunday, right? So this training program useful for fresher as well as the professionals, because some professional want to improve their skills, enhance their skills, so it will be helpful for them, right? The next thing is fee can be paid in the installments, so you no need to pay all the fee in advance or something, nothing like that. You can pay in installments, right? And guys, if you are interested or if you have any kind of query, you can WhatsApp me on the given number, that is 99976 15007, right? And yeah, guys, if you want any kind of demo or something, so that is freely available. So you can ping me over the same number and ask for any demo session. That is totally free of cost. Fine. Okay. So now coming to our today topic. First is introduction of PCI. Means we'll cover PCIe also, but let's stick with PCI. So PCI is a protocol, right? PCI is a protocol. And what is a protocol? Protocol means a set of predefined rules. Fine. Means I have set some rules how the data is going to transfer from one place to another place. So that will become a protocol. Fine. So now coming to PCI. So PCI stands for Peripheral Component Interface. Fine. That is the name of PCI. Was developed in early 90s. So guys, I am teaching all the things from the scratch, so don't bother about anything. Means why I am, teaching the history when it has developed and all. So don't bother about that. Purpose was to address the shortcoming of the peripheral uses that were used in PCs at the time, outdated kind of protocols with the peripherals to communicate them. So the purpose was to address the shortcoming of the peripherals used that were in PCs at that time, right? So at that time, whatever they was using the peripherals, so means they was lagging, so they need some protocol. Fine. At that time, IBM introduced 80. 80 stand for IBM is a very known MNC, stand for International Business Machine, and it is advanced technology. Well, advanced technology bus, which uses, sorry, which was sufficient for 286 16-bit machine. So at that time, IBM introduced one 80 bus, the name was 80, advanced technology bus, which was sufficient to deal with the 286 16-bit machine. So now what is the mean of 286 and 16-bit machine is 286 16-bit machine. What is the mean of that? It refers to Intel 80286 processor, which was a 16-bit CPU. Now again, what is the mean of 16-bit CPU? So 16-bit usually refers to the internal register space. Hence, it can deal with 16-bit data only, right? Because we have a 16-bit space, so we can deal only with the 16-bit data. Means, let's say you want to add something, so say max you can use the 16-bit. It will get stored inside some register, and again we can send the next 16-bit as we have remember in 8085, right? Now coming to main point, but for 32-bit machine, 80 bus was lacking in term of bandwidth and features like plug and play, right? Now, what is the mean of plug and play? It means when user plug in a uh, PCIe device, it may be something like some GPU or some SSD, anything. The system automatically detects configures and enable the device without a manual setup. Fine. That is the mean of plug and play. Means it will automatically get detected and configured. No need to give any, manual setting kind of things. And again, we have used a term PCI device, right? So let me explain it. What is PCI device? It is a hardware which is connected to the PCI bus, or we can say connected to the CPU via PCI bus. That is called uh, PCI device, right? Now, coming to the main point, at that time, many bus was introduced. Like, here are some bus name. MCA. It is stand for micro channel architecture. Next was ESA. It is stand for extended industry uh, standard architecture. Next one was VISA. It is Video Electronics Standard Association. Fine. So they have introduced these kind of buses also. But means see, it was like some revolution, right? You can find the best, you cannot find, means anyone cannot find the best result in a day, right? So but all these buses design had some drawbacks that prevented wide acceptance. Fine. Meanwhile, PCI bus developed by a group called PCI SIG. PCIC. So PCI stands for Peripheral Communication Interface and SIG for Special Interest Group. The performance of the newly developed bus architecture was much higher than than other buses. Now, what is the architecture? How it was higher? We will discuss each and everything in coming slide. Right? In a simple way, MCA, ISA, VISA all have some drawbacks. Means they was lacking in some capability. So PCI SIG has introduced a protocol PCI with very efficient and improved architecture. What was the architecture? How the things? What was the things made it so higher or so advanced? So we'll discuss all these things. Right. Just a little glimpse. It also defined a new set of registers within each device. Within each device referred to as configuration space. Means let's say you have 3 to 4 devices. So when they introduced PCI, so they also defines new set of register within all the devices, the peripheral kind of devices, right? So why they defined some new set of registers, why they require some configuration space. So let's see. Configuration. What is configuration space? Space like is like the identity and setting menu of a device. It tells computer who the device is and how to talk to it. Means, to be very simple, let's say we have two USB devices or three USB devices, right? Okay, let me write over here example. Keyboard and mouse and flash drive all may have the USB port. But how a computer recognize that which type of devices connect to it, right? We have keyboard, we have mouse, may have flash drive, may also have some SSB or some any kind of things, some Bluetooth. So we are injecting the device in the USB port, but how the system will come to know that okay, this is the USB, this is the mouse, or that is the keyboard, right? Because we have the configuration space. So every device has their name, their unique identity, right? So CPU can find that configuration space via reading that space. It will come to know that which device is connected. Simply, these registers means configuration space registers allowed software to see the memory and IO resources. IO means input output resources. A device needed and assign each device address that would not conflict with the other addresses in the system. Means simply every device has their unique address so that the address would not conflict simply, right? Features like uh, open design, high speed, and software visibility, and control helped PCI to overcome the obstacles. PCI quickly became the standard peripheral bus in PCs.